Thank you. I'm very glad that we can get to this stage where we're signing this agreement with the World Health Organization and UNICEF. We're very grateful for their assistance, and I think at the end of the day, while we're in an emergency situation, we need to make sure that we look after our children, that they get the right kind of food that they have, because it's not just about emergency, but it's also about what happens after that. So having this agreement in place and having everybody sign is something that is good for our young children and for the future generations. And we're very thankful to our partners that we can get to this stage.
Thank you, sir. Sir from WHO.
Thank you very much, Honourable Minister, representative for UNICEF. We are happy to sign jointly this statement with the government and the UNICEF. WHO is working side by side with the government to help those affected by this cyclone, Winston, and women and children are the highest priority. We have to work hard to ensure their health. So we are happy under leadership of government to make all efforts to help them together with other partners. Thank you.
Now hand over to Minister.
Thank you very much. I also wish to thank the Minister and my colleague at WHO for this excellent partnership and for the really impressive government leadership through this period of crisis, backed by a very impressive disaster preparedness plan that is enabling us to be very coordinated. I also wish to thank the Minister and the government for prioritizing infant and young child feeding. There are many misconceptions about infant and young child feeding in emergencies, such as that mothers under stress cannot breastfeed, such as a misconception that it's a good time to substitute infant milk and that infant milk substitutes might be better than breast milk. Breast milk is always best, including in emergencies, and we have to do everything that we can to support the mothers to continue lactation. Again, breast is best even during emergencies. Thank you.